In this video, I'll show you how to edit Google Docs offline. Google Docs can work without internet, but you need to set it up first. Google says offline editing on a computer works with Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, not in private browsing, and you also need the Google Docs offline extension enabled. Google also notes that you should turn on offline access in Google Drive before trying to edit files without a connection. First, set it up while you are still online. Open Google Drive in Chrome or Edge, click the gear icon, go to Settings, and turn on Offline. If you are using Microsoft Edge, Google says you may be redirected to install the Google Docs offline extension first. Once offline access is enabled, Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides can all use that same offline setting. After that, you can make files available offline in two ways. Google says recent files can be available automatically, but you can also mark a specific file for offline use. To do that, open the Docs, Sheets, or Slides home screen, click the More menu on the file you want, and choose Available Offline. A check mark will appear to show the file is ready for offline editing. Now, when you lose internet access, open that file again in your browser and keep working normally. Google says you can create, view, and edit files offline, and when your internet connection comes back, the changes sync automatically to Drive. That means you do not need to upload the file again yourself later. If you are using Android, the process is even simpler. Google says you can open the Docs, Sheets, or Slides app, tap Menu, go to Settings, and turn on Make Recent Files Available Offline. Or open the More menu beside a specific file and choose Make Available Offline. After that, you can find those files later from Menu, then Offline. There are also a few things to watch out for. Google says offline editing does not work in private browsing. You need enough space on your device, and if you use more than one Google account, make sure you are in the correct Chrome or Edge profile. If offline mode stops working, Google's support guidance says turning the offline setting off and back on can help fix it. So the full process is simple. While you are online, turn on offline in Google Drive. Make the document available offline, open it later without internet, and let Google Docs sync your changes automatically when the connection comes back. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.